dependent extinction of all phenomena. For through the total fading away and extinction of craving, clinging is extinguished. Through the extinction of clinging, the process of becoming is extinguished. Through the extinction of karmic process of becoming, rebirth is extinguished. And through the extinction of rebirth, decay and death, sorrow, lamentation, suffering, grief, and despair are extinguished. Thus comes about the extinction of this whole mass of suffering, hence the annihilation, cessation, and overcoming of corporeality, feeling, perception, mental formations, and consciousness. This is the extinction of suffering, the end of disease, the overcoming of old age and death. The undulatory motion, which we call wave, which in the specter creates the illusion of a single mass of water moving over the surface of the lake, is produced and fed by the wind, maintaining by the stored up energies after the wind has ceased and no fresh wind again wicks up the water. The stored up energies will gradually be consumed, and the whole undulatory motion come to an end. Similarly, if fire does not get new fuel, it will become extinct. Just so this five khandha process, which in the ignorant worldling creates the illusion of an ego entity, is produced and fed by the life-affirming craving and maintained for some time by means of the stored up life energies. Now, after the fuel, i.e. the craving and clinging to life, has ceased, and no new craving impels again, this five khandha process, life, will continue as long as there are still life energies stored up. But at their destruction at death, the five khandha process will reach final extinction. Thus, nirvana, or extinction, Sanskrit, to cease blowing, to become extinct, may be considered under two aspects. Extinction of impurities reached at the attainment of arahatship, or holiness, which takes place during the lifetime. This extinction of the five khandha process, which takes place at the death of the arahat. So, the key, of course, is to extinction is, just another word for liberation, right?